woke up this morning, rain falling like tears on the pane. Your side of the bed was empty, and I'm going insane. I called out your name in the silence, but only the echo replied. Now the night keeps on whispering secrets that I wish I could hide. Cold wind blowing, cutting straight through my soul. I'm drowning in this heartache, losing all control. Every shadow reminds me of the love that we lost. Cold wind blowing, and it's got a heavy cost. I walk these streets alone now, where we used to hold hands. Every corner holds a memory of our broken plans. I see your face in the neon, but it fades when I turn. Lord, this pain is a fire, and it's making my heart burn. Cold wind blowing, cutting straight through my soul. I'm drowning in this heartache, losing all control. Every shadow reminds me, oh, the love that we lost. Cold wind blowing, and it's got a heavy cost. I gave you everything I had, every beat of this chest. Now I'm just a ghost walking, can't lay this feeling to rest. The bottle can't save me, and the dawn brings no light. I'm trapped in this darkness, baby, every single night. If you ever come back, I don't know if I'd let you in, 'cause the hurt you left behind is wearing my skin. But God knows I still want you, even after the lies. This love is a killer, and I'm not ready to die. Cold wind blowing, tearing my world apart. You took the best part of me and left with my heart. I'm screaming in the emptiness, but nobody hears. Cold wind blowing for 1,000 years. Cold wind blowing, Lord, it's blowing.